Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, what will happen when you access an array element when its array is assigned to null instead of any array elements? You are going to get null pointer exception. Okay, when you create an array and it doesn't have any elements assigned, instead you have assigned null to that particular array, and you are trying to access the elements of the array when there are no elements in the array and the array is only pointing to null. In such cases, when you run the code at the line where you are trying to access the elements of the array, you are going to get null pointer exception. Let me practically demonstrate and show you. For that, I'll switch to Eclipse IDE and create a new class here. So I'll just name a new class with some random name, let's say class 22 with some main method. Inside that, I'm going to create an array. Let's say integer array AR is equal to, I'm not going to assign any elements. Okay. In general, I can assign elements like this to the array. Like this, I can assign the elements to the array. Instead of assigning the elements to the array, I'm just assigning the null. Okay. In such cases, when array is assigned to null, when I run the code, I'll not get any problem. You see, if I say system.out.println end of this program, I'll not get any problem. You can assign null value to the array when there are no elements assigned to the array. If I run this program, end of this program will be simply printed without any exception. You see, end of this program will be printed without any exception. The problem comes where when there are no elements assigned to this array, and if you are trying to access the elements of the array using some index like AR of 0, AR of 1, etc., okay, and run the code, in such cases, you are going to get a null pointer exception. Okay. So what is the reason for this? Cannot load from int array because AR is null. When an array is assigned to null and you are trying to access the elements of that particular array, you are going to get which exception? Null pointer exception, which is the answer for this question, guys. Okay. So that is the answer for this question. So hope guys you got the answer for this question with practical demonstration. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye.